on behalf of our three governors of our three regions. First and foremost, I would like to extend our warmest New Year greeting to Tata Mkwanirwa and the entire leadership of Wandonga Traditional Authority. On behalf of the regional governors and all residents of Oshana, Oshikoto, and Ohangwena regions, we wish Tata Mkwanirwa good health and wisdom as he continues to lead the Wandonga Traditional Authority. We appreciate his initiative to unify stakeholders by annually inviting us to come together to find the solutions for improving services to our communities. As a regional governors, as well as representatives of the wider communities, we fully recognize and respect the vital role of the traditional authorities as custodians and the guardians of our culture, traditions, values, and the customs. Unfortunately, we see many people in our country drifting away from our traditional norms and values. Therefore, we rely on our traditional leaders to help restore and uphold these important values. When we were growing up, our culture and traditions were highly valued, including the emphasis on the hard work to achieve self-reliance and food production. Respect for authorities, whether traditional or other social level, was also very common. Today, however, some individuals show a lack of respect for work, and they can often be found at the hookah shop during the early morning, neglecting their responsibility to cultivate their mango fields and the other productive works. We are witnessing a general decline in respect of our authorities throughout the country. Some people seem to misuse our democratic system to abuse their rights and disrespect others' rights. This includes disrespectful behavior toward our former president, even the founding president. Tata Mkwanirwa and fellow leaders, this situation indicates that some of our people are disregarding our traditional norms and values. We as leaders bear the responsibility to reinstill these values in our communities. Tata Mkwanirwa, ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered in respect to Tata Mkwanirwa's invitation to listen to his message for the year 2025. I would like to emphasize and appreciate this concept as the annual stakeholders engagement meeting and serves as an excellent platform for us to reflect on the common challenges we face while striving to provide better service for our people. With this in mind, I would like to briefly share some of the challenges we confront on daily basis in our efforts to save our community. Before doing so, I would like to acknowledge the support our regions received from central government. We recognize the significant progress made in areas such as water provision, road constructions, and improvements in health and education sectors without going into the respective specification of each region. However, challenges remain, and this is the problem. Okucha epangero olaeta posa unene kushayoku de problem natango di hapo andi kaya mongo. Among these are the need to provide potable waters to our communities. Unene mumikunda otuno problema oshuana kashinamea. Epangero laete embolina diwana haki ndirengo na tango katonkwanirwa tulongere likumwe ne pangelo oposhuana shimonomea unene mushai oshuana katashenota. As I said, community and an urgent necessity to expand and improve the road network is another challenge we have. Mushai pate ovanu otamoni kuna mefuka motayamo omunoma fululu omune eskola tijita bitluko ya eskola kono twao ndo Botswana to adisala ko kule talefa vamos a ver no que maji pate unene mushai ovano povae ku klinika no que escola da tongamo que pangelo o shiju shase pato diajo mafurulu shima shimena tango o kakuna de dimekatina o connectivity o network ka kudo reception ya wana ilo imocha ikona nande uno nande otagayama ilo ndemo ponga nando kunuka ngodikai adoro kudenga shasta kuno network otapumbwa na tango kamba nyodo de pangelo dino shinakuwa ni fasho dikale da kukiwa na do na ndipo tuango na do opo kokalengo kwa ningwa ongenda pala oshuana shikalenga ashine patafani. So when we improve road network, particularly in the rural areas, this will facilitate the smooth circulation of people, goods, and the services. This is crucial for ensuring that community members have easy access to economic and social services. Wano hapuya manomo wanawa, doropa, ipangelo, juri dilonga, okanangeno kama na to grade 12 ane dakaike umbo mo video mo oshiju kaje wakaka ngilonga ko doropa chashi aba hapo aba iko no yendifo mo malupa mo chashi pate kadiri nao kanangenge kayo ko po kwa foreign tutu. Regarding the provision of potable water, I would like to acknowledge that the Mkonirwa's efforts in providing water to the villages bordering the Oshikoto and Ohangwena regions. Last year, my counterpart, the governor of Oshikoto region, and I submitted a joint report to Tate Mkonirwa on this project. Thank you very much for that effort. Ombeva utunome ikosedu abuto akifatu kwa Angwena hadroku okusakula ingomea eri jinadihaku uneno Hangwena no Shikoto o programa ayo ya pyo vanu avaende o dio wishi o to e pandero o to popya nayo o kamba yo to popya nayo bacha ke fiko lomurege mungulo mongula dene sa kungo kwende ro hapo sa somea nge ko kwa kombanda yetu uswana tashikamona lo kombanda yetu wale Geko kwa kufa setu daya kombanda sa someo maha do kutongo shirika lungo tati tambule nyome do tude kon tumba kama done sha to seno Geko tuna ulumi no matira diro nundongo kufa kwa meao umeana je ko shimana shikale tashinu oposhilinge noni kunino no mafia aibiro katolingi me yakutire cooperative gego meo maha datu karatu neni o ikuli awani no diversity e diet onu mobatile ikano emwe hayapo imande ya yo yeye ko nuwe ni tai ese hombre na yaro diet Balance diet Llegué de yo tengo un hongo no así que ya no me va a dejar con padre tu pas para que tu ya tu ni curia es dopo lì okay iya batina ndo kwa kwa mozo kwa mozo ba kwa mwiti kwa mwana na ndipe zako Udo asipia kembako kwa Another area that requires collaborative solutions is the extension and the improvement of communication network infrastructure in the rural areas. Nesipokiana renda shendrula utunenere hapo takonkwadirwa ufukaisho wijakar deno wamona kuchopene ndimwe oshirika penego network uyeneke ngabade toko a polifi seko natabo no ama beseno immigration na tembiga dimwe ya duro kudenga kucha peno emergency ya ilo no kwalika keoka ilo nutai hama oshiju onma a communicating ya ufane evatero onawanga natango tendrulemo me kamba nyomo opo ditu vatere do divatero tuwana shahorola sahara marunduruko ye president in waiting of party it should not be business as usual wano na longe salary collector na dipukara tavatiriana. This is essential in ensuring that schools are connected to internet services, which will enhance the learning and the conscious environment for our children in those rural areas. Unona, chemistry, ne physics, udapungwa laboratory, udapungwa internet. Unyino paise otawendere uno na wabeli mofuka mwine itakala beno advantage ngasa beli medoro okapungwa ngemo twana shiri ufike pamwe melongo uwa au shena wa okondisu environment me creative no mushai okukununo na betu opobamone opobadro kulungwa oilongwa oyo yapungwa internet. Other challenges for which we need the moral support or material support to our government are the following. And we would love to bring to the attention of onkwanirwa wetu na tushenya tuyapa ndodo dayo loka. Unemployment. There is a higher rate of unemployment in our regions, especially among the youth. Many graduates are without job, leading to intense competition, where sometimes hundreds applicants apply for a single post, one post. Genge ngonde kwata kaisingaike o post nanda iko muam umayovi taya umayovi ndonu mwenye tati onu motati ko karasa motati peni deo umura iko post mai ko to shukuri gere ko cha otuna o crisis. This is not a discovery. It is known in this country by each and everyone. The issue is to find a solution. I know it requires resources, require money, but if we develop sector like agriculture, probably we will take up most of this unemployment youth. The other issue that I would love to bring to the attention of this meeting is the issue of outbreak of malaria. The ongoing malaria outbreak in our region require that our people take proactive measures to protect themselves. On lombore warandeka e mosquito repellent opongo tokero malaria. They should seek medical attention as soon as they notice any symptoms of malaria. The other issue that is the third is cattle grazing. The issue of Namibian farmers grazing their cattle in Angola requires a careful monitoring and long-term solutions. Tunamwabene bajakeri kina depati shatokonosa ukujaboko kunene umsati oshana oshikoto ahangwena and probably pasro kavango taarifa ma Angola engo botanika tihapu mo Angola wa Angola oletukumini na shiri beba mwamebe amwe yeru mbata nawa amwamebe amwe ogini ngola ni unikunda esi netolo kukamba kamba obakamba ko o mapyo banu ilo bakamba kwendere to banu ya vota ulanu aisbo prefedo ambwena waitirirwa dostolo nu omwela tonga ulile meumbola yoye oye ku kuidirira kapopya nabo luhapu de talongo atakutiwa ugakuta uno na basho na baja kwa Angola o child labor no mona bibi na eferwa do Angola ta nyenyeta esi koi wa paife uno malaria uno na bahapu bakota ko malaria bamu yafu tanawa bamu yafu to bamu yatarerwapo nyeba kukuriwa ko haki ndirele ana farama avese ave nengobe de Angola vapuikine kona wako kila karibu cha rumba tekinawa wa Angola wajanale le pidi dimikira durati hapu ngengo kuja 74 ilo 73 ngengo kuja 73 obetukuminina doshongo shawatasiana unwapo kemburu tadi tukata ngengo emata kula commissioner sibwati ngengo moyo umome veterano commissioner sibwati omweyo okwalo commissioner de taning id de veshishi na wakuchota kubi mangari ilupula ambassador oleki dimigira nale na turumba telingo ne nawa de atu patripo ombiri yo pokati ketu no shirongo sa Angola katushiku chona initaka loloka sheho naiti it needs a long solution. Epangelo atusheni tukanyon tumbakucha. Gengo yango la mungula wakacha enough is enough. Oba nwebato ukivapeni. Bovet wa Namibia, boveni mun. Utapungwa tukaleni kwa turumba tanawa manga inalolo kafirufiru. Boveni mosimolo noko kwani kubanga. Umwene bato kwa inembera wa ikushimba kwa kahanja. Kata kwa nilo Pongota jelo kawa. Pongota. Sisi tunataka penendo lili pongota. Endo la do. Nasema ngajera kwa kawa kusema sisi kwa. Bali hapa iko kahanja hapo ina hapo toni ngoni. Hade ngoni. Kunyakuti wa no sopa ngeno mweno nkunda. Ego bedaratita kwa kota dia mweno nkunda. Rengo nyege atonyi na mo tadenge mweno nkunda. Oshi mashoke no sebate fama abeshaji. Donde mwifana iti. Genga ngoli na kuningasha okuita tukwefa. Umi ya desana bodi. Ni ulo to tengiro moshilongo sha. Iyo idibike. Iyo kona onde no kila. To tengiro moshilongo sha. Oto tete. Ya na piti dibike ni ngoge ya kini munya. Si hatu bakere ni baka hatu bloko batera. Ya si koi sarangurako. We knew more agriculture delays, agriculture implement delays. They are constantly complaining regarding the late arrival of plowing tractors and the seeds for cultivation, which needed to be addressed. Kumambako haya, amahaya diva, the driver inadiro ngikitwa, leo maholi nalo ngikitwa. Odronta iloko, obano valo kulima. Ndoini mayo yaga ke pangero la yanja oinima bata aba tulime pangelo ini mahatu yendi vakashona pamwene procedure ngone didiri pangelo. They are very bureaucratic and cumbersome. Otapungu yango trombela na veshoro remember wa dina konasha noku longi kita oi nuemwe i peoshwana opoi vali mego maronge mapya yendererwe siene ambara ndapo pia boicha sonkwanero ai sifia mtu nkwanero deke sipopi ai ndipo kivango kwanero kucha ne mtu atu tulipo mahola Another point is drought response. The drought that affected all three of our regions in 2024 was met with a strong response from the government through the distribution of food relief. While we are pleased that some regions are now receiving good rains, we remain hopeful for continued conducive weather this year. Unfortunately, I understand that there are still areas that have not yet received the rain, and we hope for improvement. Epangelo ole tubatela okutenga pongonja layo apatalitulu obanu hapo basangwa ndo peno banu hapo inasangwa katonkwanelwa na mwememe wani kuliangeta hii hapo ikaja basangwa bata singote hii hapo ote yange pondu payo ngani basonjala sara kuchoba mava kuja hapo vendurifa abasangwa na tangu epangelo la yanja kuchano inasangwa na asangwe opo bamoni kuya epangelo lati natoa kuda on masonjala ovenomi kunda kansela na semboto watrame gawa tukaspareke kuchakese umwe o amorika kucho kwa pumbu kulia kwa pumbu ikulia iatema na kale abaterwa kunoma omumbwa amwe enaikuno na bashona kunoma umbwa amwe naiko bakurupe omeo kuliko kule oini maise oiliko kule utakumba tuvatereni umaumbo elingao na to identify ngeni they have to openanga mari awiru kuno kuitapula osikukuta kaena mwenyo okwenda kutara kuchapena obasindi yalisha ndove ove toim ove watu wapo utukuli kulia ndove tolungu toitapula akuitapulwa chashi osonkalo gete tolungu omashini oitapula bata isipo pagetane ashes okuna obanu tasangwa abo medoropa abantu bamwe bakungwa okulya ndobiri medoropa esango lepangerola tameka ya tapungwa gatu batereni opa bamabeshe abapumbwa okuria bakare bamonikamo basangwa paushili natusangereni natusangenyo ko umeketu no mapate yetu sakufia kwa na sonjala. Point number 6, illegal land fencing. There is an ongoing issues with the illegal fencing of large tract of land in communal areas. Opune meredi hapo daidi karekerwa do mauli filo akeshe umwe de utamona unenenga sikwangu na obanu takambe shairi paveta ndo touda kucha mota pewa ngono ko no mikunda usapungwa moshi tarike kucha bakwetu no mikunda na tukani ngo atulumba teni keve tadoshilongo ne veta do polisi lwakalo sasa shwana kashi nyenta. The reason for discussing this issue at this stakeholder engagement meeting is not to place the burden on Tatum Kwanirwa alone, but to ensure that we as leaders have a unified understanding and find a solution to these problems. Kuchagemo taikeni o mauju challenge kwanirwa mu meeting ngamu okwipe nyuma ele opotu yangere tuturilemo no epangero letu kucha omaujuwe ngonga hata ku Facebook ngani opo shirombo letu share commercial nombili nelandura fano kucha onoutua taitapa inatucheni kuchokwanirwa ashike takufako akutuleyo mitwe kumwe nendunge kumwe opo tukasipale geni kucha atusheni otulimo njire mwejo kutako mauchu no maera atu yange opo tukaleni kucha otamona onjira nongalo kwa kufapo. This will enable us to present a united front to higher authorities when seeking resources and the support for projects in our region. In conclusion, Tatum Kwanirwa, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate the initiative taken by Tatum Kwanirwa to create a platform where individuals from various walks of life can come together to reflect, discuss, and collaboratively resolve the socio-economic challenges affecting our community and our people. This effort is crucial because despite our different levels of leadership and the governance, we are all serving the same people. Kuchano mo regional council, mo local council, mo traditional authority. O ngo atupona kulo ngo. Do anu pahapato hana. We are working in silo, but we are serving the same person. United, we shall always be successful. I have no doubt that the Tatong Kwanirwa and the other traditional authorities will encourage our community to work diligently, especially now that the rain have come. The manna is falling. That if you don't have a manna, I'm going to mark a card over there. Once again, I wish Tatong Kwanirwa and all of us a happy and prosperous 2025, enabling us to continue living in a peaceful, harmonious, and stable country. We should always be thankful that our country, since independence, we are living in peace and in a stable country. Thanks to the people of Namibia. Thank you to the security clusters, Namibian Police, Namibian Defense Force, Namibian Correctional Service, Immigration, National Intelligence, security clusters. Thanks that we did not mess up with our country. There are parts of the world people are running every day. Children are not going to school. Chaos and anarchy. We should thank ourselves, Namibians. We look forward to benefiting more from the equality leadership, or the quality leadership of Tatong Kwanirwa and the other traditional authorities. May I thank you all for listening.